like to my video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on the notification bell. Hello friends, welcome you once again to my channel DV Craft. I am Disha and today we are going to make paper bird puppet. So let's get started. First we will take a paper and fold it in triangle. Open it and fold it till middle line. And fold it in half. Now fold this point till this point, like this way. Fold it like this way. And wrap it around it. And put this inside. And the puppet is almost ready. Let's decorate it. Now let's take a piece of orange paper and by using pencil trace this triangle like this way. And cut this. So let's cut it. And stick this here. Again take this orange color paper and cut a semicircle . And paste it here. Now take sketch pen and draw here one line to separate the beak and draw eyes. And our bird is ready. Friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.